How to create image in Messenger Meta AI. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to create image in Messenger Meta AI. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Messenger app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, simply open a chat or the group where you want to use the Meta AI. And now here, once you're inside the chat, at the bottom left side you will see the plus icon. So here simply tap on it, and from the pop-up menu you can just tap on AI images, or you can even tap on Meta AI. But here for now I'll just tap on AI images. And here, once you tap on it, it will appear with a pop-up menu. Now here you can select the image from the menu, or you can even describe the image that you like let's say beer with a basketball. And here, once you search for it, a Meta AI will create a photo for you, through which you can simply select the images and you can send it directly to the chat. And that's it. That's how you can create images in Meta AI. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.